Today I will show you how to remove text from any images. Select Lasso tool. Select the area that you want to remove. Go to Select option, then click on Color Range. Pick Color Picker tool and select the color. Click on OK button. Again, go to the Select option, click on Modify, then Expand. Select the range between 2 to 5. Go to the Edit option and click on the Fill. Select Content Aware tool and click on OK button. Your text is removed now. I hope you liked this video. Do like, share and subscribe. Follow me for more interesting videos.